Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Krystal the Gypsy and I love to travel and I love to smoke.
Montage.
So this is a 420 safe space. I travel wherever the wind blows me and the smoke takes me, so things will get interesting. If traveling, seeing new places, and smoking weed interests you, then hit that subscribe button because I'm here for you weekly, sometimes more, and subscribing is completely free. Thanks for watching. Hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons. Tell your friends. Now get those joints up, blunts out, and let's go have a good time.
Your winter time is happy anniversary.
Thank you. Cheers, honey.
Cheers.
All right. Wow. So, is this a bathroom right here? So. Oh wow. It's a half bath. So it's just a powder room. Look at that tile. Oh wow. A nice, look at this coffee bar. Now that fridge has stuff in it that you will get charged for. A nice, very modern, elegant seating area. And then here's our room. Oh wow, nice big TV. Looks like we have a view of the circus. I'll look at that in a second. Oh, wow. Wait until you see this bathroom. Holy cow. Wow. A whole vanity. Wow. Very opulent. Gold fixtures. They do have robes. Lots and lots of nice storage. Wow. Oh, they give you a dental kit and a shave kit. Now let's see our view. Okay, so I just found something on the side table in the bedroom. I was like, what is this? And I pick it up and it's a massage gun that comes with the room. Oh my gosh. We brought ours. This is just the waiting area for the Crockfords. Very nice. And it smells so good in here.
Hope we got nice hot floors.
Bed check. Yeah, man. Go and see the Jabbawockeez again. We just got off the elevator for the Crockfords. It's so nice. That's for the other tower. When we checked in, the concierge, he actually came and walked us all the way to the elevator. And we just waved it, and now it's opening. It's busy. Here is the lobby though. Look, they have an elephant. Oh. It's a beautiful lobby. You're running swag walk. Formula One is coming, and they've got in the lobby of the Resorts World a Jack Daniels made out of barrels Formula One car. That's cool. My favorite kind of whiskey. I don't know if y'all can see Ronnie.
For our first contestant, let's spin the Jabbawockeez. A no for me, God. Let's find contestant number 2.
Later.
I'm hungry, let's go. We've never been in this one. Wow. Yeah, we've never been up here. Wow. So I think we've decided on La Pizzeria at Italy. And I'm gonna get this guy because he seems fun. Alright, so here's our little dinner for tonight. I got a slice of mushroom. There are so many mushrooms on this. I am so happy right now. And then Ronnie got the margarita. That would have been my second choice if they didn't have mushrooms. So I'm super excited about this. Freshly showered. And now we're getting ready to go to Treasure Island to see the Cirque du Soleil Mystery show. I'm super excited about this one. So this show apparently has been on... It's been on the Strip now. I don't know if it's always been at Treasure Island, but it's been on the Strip now and in production for like 30 years. So I'm like, if it's been on this long and people are still going to see it, I should go see it. So that's where we're headed now. We're going to try to get something to eat before the show, so we'll see where we're going to end up for the night. We have made it to Treasure Island. Oh my God, look at the like ceiling in here. That is cool looking. But we're going to see Mystery. This is the pirate themed like kind of hotel. Wow. So there's Gillies. It's like their cowboy bar. Oh, if only they were open, I would totally get some more coffee. Oh, we found the steakhouse. That is right up my alley. But we're going to the theater. And then, oh, they got a Starbucks this way. Maybe I can get some coffee this way. Okay, so we have decided to try out Golden Circle Sportsbook and Bar to eat before the show. I figure that's our safest bet. Look at how thick this sandwich is. I got the chicken salad with some Frenchy fries. And Ronnie over here got the sampler with onion rings, chicken wings, and what? Chicken tenders? Yeah, it's a very beige brown meal. I at least have onions in mine. And some lettuce. Our breakfast has arrived. We got the chef pastry basket. Their pastries are different this time. I think last time we just got like we got a regular croissant, but this time this all look really good. Ronnie and I basically got the same thing, the American breakfast, only I got sausage and he got ham. And he got sourdough and I got a English muffin. This was really good last time, so I anticipate it'll be very good this time. Now for the main event. This is what we came here for, was these pancakes. These pancakes are so good.